Hey guys, it's Dawn with Just Out and About. I am going to try a couple of cocktails and see which one my favorite is. That was the holiday cocktails from Universal Orlando Resort that was offered. While I try these holiday cocktails, you guys be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This particular one I'm going to try tonight, for the first one I'm going to try, is called the Jake's Holiday Kiss. It is being offered here at the Jake's American Bar at Royal Pacific Resort, and it is absolute vanilla vodka, Bailey's Irish cream, cream de mint, and half and half cream. So let's try it out, see what it tastes like. Well, what it tastes a lot like to me is the little Andes mints that you get with the chocolate and the mint that we all like to get after we've asked for a little dessert or get them in the stocking. That's what it tastes like. All right, Tyler, you go ahead and try it real quick and see what you think. You're not a big mint person, so.
That's what it tastes like?
That's what it tastes like. Tyler's got his drink over there, but it's not a holiday cocktail.
Like I said, I'm not a big mint person, but if you like mint, then this will be a good drink for you.
Yeah. All right, y'all, so we are on drink 2 and 3 of the holiday cocktails here at Universal Orlando that we were going to try. Last night we tried one at the Royal Pacific. Tonight we were out here at City Walk. This one is the Frosty's Firewater. Okay,
I got that one.
They both look the same. All right. Frosty's Firewater is black raspberry liquor, frangelico liquor, Fireball cinnamon whiskey, and eggnog.
Because who don't love Fireball?
That's right. And we actually had some of the Fireball and eggnog at home the other night. Yeah. It's pretty good. But this has got some black raspberry liquor in it as well. And this one is the sugar cookie, which is Stoli vanilla vodka, Bailey's Irish cream, and eggnog. So let's give these a try. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let me try the sugar cookie first. That's really good. It's very good. He did put a lot of Baileys in it, so it's a pretty kicking drink. All right, so let's give the Frosty's Firewater a try. I don't know, that's pretty dang good. I don't know that I can taste any raspberry liquor in it though. I definitely taste Fireball.
Let me try them.
All right, let's see what Tyler thinks here. He's got the sugar cookie. It's got a lot of Baileys in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's good. If you like Baileys, you'll love that. Which I do. I'm a fan of Baileys. Yeah. So I like that.
All right, let's see what you think of them.
It's gonna be hard because I'm also a fan of Fireball too.
All right. So let's see what you think of the Frosty's Fireball, whatever it is. It's definitely the Fireball.
This is my favorite one.
That's your favorite one?
The Fireball. It's not overpowering Fireball.
Yeah, but it's definitely
got a good cinnamon taste to it. It's like a creamy cinnamon.
Yeah.
It's really good.
But do you taste any raspberry liquor in that?
I do not.
Yeah.
I just mainly taste Fireball and eggnog. Which, I mean, I'm okay with that.
Yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is definitely a toss-up with these two drinks. They're close. They're really close. I like them both. I don't think we would have gone
with the Fireball.
I don't think we would have gone wrong with either one of them.
No, they're both good.
But I think we're gonna both have to go with Frosty's Firewater. Is that what it was called?
Yeah.
Frosty's Firewater. I think we'll have to go with it. We'll drink both of them, but as far as between these two, and I actually think that it's better than the drink that I had last night at Royal Pacific.
It's a lot better than the Royal Pacific drink. We
got a couple more we may try, but anyway, we will see you guys in a little while. So we are back to try one more cocktail.
We are.
While we are sitting out here waiting to go into Margaritaville.
We get a perfect margarita.
We decided to get the Island Christmas, which is the other eggnog that was offered at the stand out here at City Walk. This one is Hennessy, Cognac, cream de banana.
Yeah, cream de banana.
And eggnog. So, we'll give it a try while we're waiting on dinner.
That one must be the best one. Let's see if it's better than old Fireball last night.
I like that.
Number 2.
You like the Fireball better?
I like the Fireball better.
All right. I have to say, I like this Island. I like this Island Christmas better. What was the other one last night? The sugar cookie. Okay, so out of those three, I will say
they're all good. I mean,
he likes the Fireball better. I like the Island Christmas with the banana in it. We've got one more cocktail we're gonna try tonight at Royal Pacific if we can get back and get one of those drinks. I can't remember the name of it, but so that'll be what, basically 5 cocktails we've tried.
Yeah.
And here he is drinking my whole drink. But anyway, stay tuned. I am on my last seasonal holiday cocktail that I was going to try from Universal Orlando. We're back at the Royal Pacific. This was offered in the Orchard Garden little bar restaurant in here. And the description of this drink is, it is called a Yuletide Moon. It is rye whiskey.
Rye whiskey,
rye whiskey.
Don't let me down.
Popcorn Sutton, okay? So I'm not sure whether that's gonna be a plus for me or not. Merlot, maple syrup, and orange juice. So here we go. Oh, and they put this little cinnamon stick with a little orange peel. It was neatly wrapped around the...
I got a correction though. It wasn't Popcorn Sutton, it was Jim Tom.
Okay, Jim Tom. I don't know my moonshiners. Okay, Jim Tom then. Correct me. Alright, let's see what this tastes like. Well, it's pretty strong. I would say the rye whiskey definitely is strong in it, but the Merlot helps, I think.
Let me try it.
So, oh, you gonna get some cinnamon going?
Yeah, get some cinnamon going, yeah.
All right.
All right.
See what you think.
It's got very, very strong white rye.
Yeah.
With an aftertaste of a little cinnamon. You can taste the wine in it a little bit in the Merlot.
Yeah.
But it's more whiskey than rye. I mean, than the Merlot. It's definitely better than the one we had the other night at the Jake's American.
Yeah, I think so too.
It's a lot better than the mint one.
The that one was the Jake's Kiss.
This is not a creamy drink. It's good.
Yeah, that other one was a creamy drink the other night.
It is a little on the strong side, but if you like rye, then you'll like this one.
Yeah. while Tyler finishes with the hiccups over here. As far as out of these 5, we tried 5. Out of the 5 drinks we tried, I have to say the other one I had tonight, the Island Christmas from out at City Walk, it was the eggnog and the banana, and what else did it have in it? Hennessy.
Yeah.
That was the best one out of all 5 that I tried. I think Tyler's clear now. Let's see what his favorite was.
Alright, so my favorite was probably the Fireball eggnog, then the banana, the island Christmas. And then it would have to be this one.
Yeah.
The sugar cookie, and then the mint.
Yeah, that Jake's Kiss, that mint one was probably the bottom for me too. The
it was too many.
Yeah, it was literally an Andy's mint.
Yeah, pretty much.
Anyway, y'all, that about does it for our little holiday cocktail. But thanks for hanging with us, and we will see you guys on the next one. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.